Hey everyone, Isaac here, and welcome back to Hobby Roundup week number 4. Big week. Hope you guys had a great holiday. I did. I got to spend some time with family. Went up to see them, spent some time, ate a lot of food. I'm stuffed. I'm ready for going back to chicken and rice for a week or two. I don't know about you guys, but after the big holidays, I love just a big rest from junk food. But I didn't get to work on much because I was away from family, but I did work on a few things. I built 2 feet for a Gundam. And that's not all. That's not all. More importantly, finished. I got through a lot of the gold on the arms for the Orgoth. So this week on Wednesday, we'll be streaming the final touches, which will be doing the second layer of gold, going over, make sure everything, all like the layers are super smooth, and then I'll be doing the green as well, and then over the weekend I'll gloss coat it, and it's done. Finally done with the Orgoth. Oh boy, I'm excited. I'm very excited with how these came out. Some of them I like more than others, but I also just like the weapon more than others. Let me see if I can find my favorite so far. This one? Yeah. I showed it off a little bit already. But I really like the way this little arm turned out. Let me see if I can get some better light in here. Ooh, that's much better. That's way better. Should have started that with that from the start. My mistake. And then we got, I'll show you one of the heads real quick. Got a little bit more detail to do on them. Like on this one, I have to paint some horns and some bone on it to match the caster a little bit. But yeah, that's all I did this week. It was a very short week for me because I left on we left on Thursday, got back like an hour ago. So I kind of came home and started recording. But one thing I did have running on me was the 3D printer. I haven't really shown off my prints that I do, but I've been printing for all those One Piece fans out there. I've been printing some devil fruits, and this is the flame fruit. I don't know. And then I printed the chop fruit. I still gotta take the supports off this guy. It came out super well. This is heavy. I did too much infill on this, but it is quite sturdy because of it. Yeah, I don't know. This is something I wanted to share with you guys. But otherwise, I will see you. I'm not done with the video yet. What am I doing? I'm stupid. Goals for this week. That's what I need to do. Finish the Orgoth arms 100%. Like get them, all the details done. Get them painted up. Get the gloss coat on, so that way we can take some glam photos and a B-roll video for y'all. I would like to finish one of the Gundams I'm working on, which will be streamed tomorrow, Mobile Suit Monday. Come check it out. Twitch channel link below. Yeah, those are my 2 big things. I do want to start on the Khador, but that's kind of like second priority because once I finish these Orgoth, the Dusk come in. Hopefully, get a video on those, and then I gotta paint the Devil Fruits for my buddy because these are not for me; these are for a friend. It's kind of like his Christmas present to him and his family. He really likes One Piece. And then, yeah, because once the Orgoth are done, Khador can be finished, and then Dusk video. And thinking brain no work after a long holiday. Everyone knows that feeling. Yes, gonna finish the Khador. I know, I'm just like, you guys are hearing me think, and it's like painful, I'm sure. Orgoth finished, Khador finished. By then, the army boxes for the Orgoth should show up as well. So that'll be a fun project to throw in with the Khador painting and the Dusk prepping. So hope you guys have some good goals for the week, getting back from the holiday. Crush them. Have a great week. I'll see you all next week. Have a good one. Bye-bye.